In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Stripe to N8N so you can automate payments and streamline your workflows. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick automation tutorials. First, open N8N and head to the Credentials section from the left sidebar. Click Create New, then select Stripe as your credential type for authentication. Choose API key. Now, log into your Stripe account, go to the Developers tab and click API keys. Copy your secret key. This is the one N8N needs to securely connect. Switch back to N8N. Paste the key into the Stripe credential field and save your settings. Double check everything, then hit save again to lock it in. That's it. Stripe is now connected to N8N. You can start building workflows to handle payments, subscriptions, and more with ease. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more N8N automation tips.